Good morning. It is just a little bit after sunrise here in Berchtesgaden, and we were gonna get up to watch kind of the sunrise over the mountains, but it is extremely foggy outside, and you can't really see past kind of like a few levels of houses, so you can't see the mountains at all. So we're probably gonna have breakfast and wait for the fog to kind of dissipate a little bit, just so we can have some better views. But yeah, it looks like a foggy morning, but hopefully it turns out to be a nice sunny day. Okay, we just ran to the grocery store quick. I was 3 minutes away, and we picked up some coffees to have after our breakfast, and we just drank those, and now we're getting all packed up to leave. The fog actually hasn't cleared yet, but we're kind of hopeful that it'll clear up pretty soon, and it does look like it's blue skies above it, and the weather app doesn't even list the fog, so I think we'll be fine. But currently it's still a pretty foggy situation outside, but when we walked to the grocery store it didn't seem too cold, so we're just gonna head over to Lake Konigssee and enjoy the day nevertheless. And if we have to wait for the fog to clear, we wait for the fog to clear but it'll all be good. sun is out and it really started to clear up. Taking some photos. Churches right here. We have beautiful mountain backdrop in every direction. Lake Konigssee is here behind me. Yeah, it's turning into a beautiful day. There's like a walking path right here that kind of goes around the island, and we just did the ticket to St. Bartholomew, and yeah, the island is a lot bigger than we expected. I think you can do a whole loop of it, but yes, it is beautiful and 100% worth it. You can also do a trip that's a 30-minute longer boat ride to Salette, but we didn't do that one since it's a bit longer. It's a beautiful day. You can see some fall colors too. Spectacular. For lunch on the little island, St. Bartholomew. It is super cute. It is beautiful out. It's not much warmer than 50 degrees, but with the sun it feels very warm, and we have a great view in every direction. Dylan got the, oh my god, what is it called? The Weisswurst, which is a traditional breakfast sausage that you have in the morning. And I just got another currywurst, and then we got some coffees. Wrapped up at Königssee, which I highly recommend if you come to Germany. I don't know if it's a hidden gem. Maybe people know about it, but it was beautiful, 100% worth it to take out the boat. I'm sure if you even go to Salet or Saleh, or whatever it's called, on the further boat trip, that's probably worth it as well, but just for lack of time, we couldn't do that one this time, but that leaves us for something when we visit again. So now we are headed to Salzburg, so going back to Austria, and it's about a 40-minute drive from Berchtesgaden, and we're gonna explore there a little bit this afternoon before heading back to Berchtesgaden for the afternoon. But again, highly recommend Konigssee. Okay, so we did a quick little pit stop in Salzburg, which was very quick. We were only there for all of 36 minutes, but we just saw Mirabell Gardens and then took pictures quickly there with the gardens and then the big castle up on the hill from the gardens. But I don't know, it wasn't too exciting. I feel like we weren't really in the mood. We're not big Sound of Music fans or like music buffs that wanted to go to like the Mozart Museum and things like that, so we kind of just took it easy and wanted to get back into Berchtesgaden pretty early. So now we're back to our Airbnb. We've kind of been relaxing, enjoying our beautiful view from our Airbnb, and we'll probably head out in a little bit for dinner and decide whether we want to do a restaurant or whether we want to do like another grocery store dinner. But yeah, it's been a great day. We did a lot. We're definitely very tired. Again, it's kind of been go the past few days, but just relaxing right now and enjoying our view, and then just having dinner and a relaxing evening the rest of the time today. Here is our view.